Hello! In this video, I will discuss my story of why I majored in nursing at the University of Muhammadiyah Surakarta. Previously, let me know Ivana Dewi Solihah. People call me Ivana. I was born in Purbalingga, Central Java, and now live in Magetan, East Java. This is where my story begins. At the beginning of SNMPTN registration, I had the desire to register at Pajajaran Bandung University by majoring in psychology. That was one of my dreams. But unfortunately, I didn't pass. Time passed. I applied for the SBMPTN and I still persisted in majoring in psychology at the University of Pajajaran Bandung. But unfortunately, for the two-end time, I failed again. On the other hand, my mother didn't agree with me majoring in psychology. But I still persisted in talking that major because I have a goal which is to help the trauma of today youth. Finally, because I had given up, I tried to register at the Muhammadiyah University of Surakarta and still insisted on majoring in psychology. At the time of the announcement and the result still did not pass. Then my mother offered why not just take nursing majors? Nursing majors was one of my mom's dream. On the other hand, I do not really like the smell of health. All night I thought about it, so I follow my parent advice. The next day, I felt somewhat completed to major in nursing. That night, I opened the announcement and the result what was that I passed. After seeing the announcement, I immediately told my mother and she was very surprised. After that, I told my father and talking about the entrance fee at the Muhammadiyah University of Surakarta. Thanks God my father agreed to the fee and the next day I paid in straight away. The beginning of being accepted at UMS with a major that I didn't like was a bit awkward and I didn't know anything about health either. At the beginning of the semester, I also often cried because it didn't match my passion of the point that I wanted to live and check majors. The first semester, I have some friends who really support me and three my burden is reduced a little even and though I still cry a lot. In the first semester, student Richard knew that offline lecture would be held for a month and I felt very scared because this was the first time I was away from my parents. But after doing it, it turns out that it's not as crazy as I imagined and it's also fun to study nursing, majoring in nursing, but it's practical. I don't really like the material of the material. In the first semester, there was a laboratory, practice exam, and the exam was offline. There I felt that I could afford in, but my friend invited me to study together and always support me, and I started to believe in myself. The exam passed and the announcement come out and I passed there I felt proud of myself. And the second semester continues something I still cry because I still don't understand the material. But when it comes to practice I like in the most. So the wisdom I take here in the our choice are not necessarily really good for our future. But the choice of your parents are certainly the best way to guide us to a better future. That's my story in this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.